Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio Editor series. In this video, we're going to talk about choosing your element's responsive behavior. With it, you'll get to decide how every element reacts when a screen is resized, because you're not just building for one screen, you're building for all sorts of them. Let's take a look at the responsive behavior menu. So first, select any element you'd like to work on. Could be an image or a button that you want to work on, and open the Inspector panel. Here on the Inspector panel, go to the Responsive Behavior dropdown, and you should see several options to choose from. The first option we have is to scale proportionally. This is the default setting, and it keeps your element size relative to the screen width. As the browser gets smaller, the element shrinks at the same rate. It's the easiest way to keep your layout looking exactly the same across different devices. Next, we have relative width, which allows the element's proportions to change automatically in relation to its parent element. Then we have fixed. It means your element stays the exact same size regardless of the screen. This is only great for small icons or logos. On the other hand, if you see the hug option, it tells the container to wrap tightly around the content inside it. If your text grows, the container grows with it as well. And then finally, we have stretch, which of course will make the element expand to occupy its entire parent container, perfect for background images or color blocks where you want zero gaps. So feel free to select an option that best suits your needs and also according to the element you selected. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.